Well, this came from our discussion with some of the colleagues in the program of physical therapy. We were talking about different ways that we can help children with disabilities, and we realized that there was a very large need in the community for this type of devices. And as part of our discussion, we decided to implement a solution that was part of our educational system by using a class. This is the first time that this type of course is being offered. We have interdisciplinary teams of mechanical engineers and electrical engineers working together. At the same time, we have informally we're having physical therapy students stop by to be able to guide the work of our engineering students.
To work on this project has been eye-opening for a lot of the students, including myself. We've seen what it's like to help people around us, and especially the children with disabilities. It's kind of opened our eyes to what it's like to help other people, as well as the future that we have in engineering.
It's been rewarding because you have the opportunity to assist someone who is limited due to circumstances beyond their control.
The Doctor of Physical Therapy students that have been coming here to the Fabrication Design Lab, and they are also enrolled in the Pediatric Physical Therapy class right now. And so they're learning about children and disabilities, and so they're bringing that information and that knowledge into this lab and discussing with the engineering students what can be done to help the children participate and play in exploration of their environment by using the ride-on cars.
It's been really exciting to be able to talk with engineering students and help give them ideas, maybe explain a little bit more about the pathology that their children have, that they're trying to design the vehicles for, and show them maybe what they can do and what they can't do.
The entire class is focused on problem solving. We have mechanical engineering students and we have electrical engineering students. Our mechanical engineering students are developing skills in fabrication. They are developing skills in material selection. They are developing skills in design. Our electrical engineering students are also developing skills in fabrication, things like soldering. They are getting understanding of current, voltage, motors, electric motors, batteries, and switching. All of these skills are transferable. Any type of industry will be happy to be able to have kids that know this technology.
As a senior in my school, a project like this can really increase my marketability, not only as a student, but also as a contributing member to the society around us. I've learned crucial skills such as teamwork and the engineering design process that'll help me as I look toward graduation in the next coming months, which is really going to be beneficial as I plan out my career.
Because we've had to learn how to take things and modify them, and that's what you do as an engineer. You take a problem and you modify it to your client's needs, and you also, we're getting up-to-date technology because we're learning what it takes for a child, especially in this industry, and how we can take that and apply it to the real world. So we open up non-traditional jobs for ourselves, working for places like Nemours or Brooks that needs assistance from our perspective.
Our goal, long-term goal, is to be able to create a library of these devices. What we want is for kids in the community to be able to borrow these toys, to use them for a period of time, and then be able to bring them back once they outgrow the toy, and we can modify them for other kids.